I'm Homie. Yeah, very welcome to Top Glass workshop. Today let's talk more about automatic mirror glass. As for this glass, our thickness can do 2 mm to 12 mm. The size is the same as the orange sheet glass, and we can also help you calculate the 6 meter for the length about this glass. For here we are glass factories in Guangzhou, so it's okay for us to help you provide the one-way view mirror glass sheet, and it's also okay for us to do a process to your glass, like color to any shape, any size, and also do the glass process, like do glass temper, do glass edit, and do washing clear, and also put paper or do hollow or thick for this one-way view mirror glass is also okay for us. Now let's talk more about this amazing glass, under directional perspective glass, which also known as automatic mirror, single-side mirror, slur glass, double-sided mirror, one-way view mirror glass, which is one kind of visible light glass with a high reflection. When the undirective see-through glass is in use, the reflection surface, mirror surface, must be the light face surface or the outdoor side. When the outdoor is brighter than the internal, the one-way view mirror glass is similar to a normal mirror, and the indoor thing cannot be seen outside, but the outside thing can be seen inside. And when the internal is thin, the indoor thing can be seen outdoor, and the outdoor thing can be seen indoor. The clarify depends on the zone that is intersurface of excellent intermalations. It is widely used in improvisation, police station, interrogation rooms, higher people's count, public prosecution, low agents interrogation rooms, psychiatric hospitals, university research institute, school conference room, kindergarten, large conference room, office, and so on. In a certain light effect underrated, you cannot see the inside. The inside can clearly see the one-way perspective effect outside. After the special department of the research department, after the treatment, the product also has an excellent proof some insulate effect. In order to enhance the one-way perspective of the reflective of the undergraduate see-through glass, it is recommended to install 3 to 4 100 watts LEDs. Unfortunately, over the glass, 150 watt spotlight, 54-degree angle to the mid of the glass mirror to enhance the overall reflective of the glass mirror, enhance one-way perspective effect of glass. Hope we had show you clearly about our double-sided view mirror glass. Please feel free to contact us for any questions or any problems, and feel free to show your detailed ideas about your project and your product. Hope Top Glass can do some help to solve your problem. Okay, waiting for your call.